How to fix followers count freeze easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Now click on the apps and it will take you to this page. As you can see, all what you have to do here is wait a few seconds and then scroll down, click on Instagram, click on this option and then click on the notifications management. Now on this page you have to scroll down until you find this more settings option. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is click on this pause all and choose 15 minutes. And last thing you want to do now is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.